I work with Music Workshop because our philosophies are aligned. Matter of fact, my teaching philosophy when I was an undergrad was, it is my life's purpose to touch as many lives through the vehicle of music. Through these resources and activities, my work with Music Workshop allows us not to just share this as a mindset, but as tangible tools and resources in order to make a connection to the human heart and our humanity in music. Music education is important for students, I dare say for all of us, because we are the change makers, we are the leaders, we are the healers in our communities, and we're the disruptors. When chaos happens in our world, you call upon the artist every single time. Music education is not about creating more educators in the field. It's not about creating more performers in the field. It's about giving students the tools to connect with that gut feeling, the ability to think and process conflict, and to keep their heart in the conversation when connecting with others. Music allows you to connect with every person in the classroom where they are, to teach them the vital skills you have to offer through a way that allows them to see your heart in the process. Well-being as a subject, as a topic, as a practice is important for all students because in a world that moves at 1,000,000 miles per hour, music is what allows us to stop and be present. And not only be present, but to process time along the timeline for us to be able to empathize with other people while also considering ourselves in the process, that the duality can exist, that the prism of our existence can be something that we can visit and live with. We don't want to just go through the day-to-day, checking boxes and getting through a to-do list. Why live in that angst when we can have a practice of well-being, a practice of flourishing, a practice of thriving through our lives and enjoying this one life that we get with joy and living with purpose, while also empathizing with others and knowing that someone else's growth is not our demise. It's an invitation for us to connect.